Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily set up your application iPhone for your LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker and how to install it, of course. So, at first we need to head over to App Store and then we have to enter the search bar here. In the search bar we have to search for the LG XBOOM. Here, as you can see, we have LG XBOOM Music from LG Electronics. Here you will have the Get button. You have to tap this button and then authorize yourselves using the Touch ID, Face ID or Apple ID password. It's up to you actually. Then you just have to tap this button again or just the installation will begin. As you can see, it took me 4 seconds at least. So yeah, and of course it depends on your internet connection, your phone, and the place where you are now. Here we have to now tap open and tap agree and start. As you can see, the application automatically got our speaker here, and it's here. We can manage now our speaker through the application. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.